Hi, in this tutorial we are going to work on parameters and associativity. So, what data we can parameterize? If you can see in Ansys geometry editors, we can parameterize the data or third-party CAD tools, or also in engineering data we can parameterize. And fourth one is that mechanical model. So there we can parameterize output data also. So first we are going to edit geometry in space claim. Here in space claim, if you go to group, so you can see here this valve position. Here this valve position has been parameterized. You can see P. Right now it's a 0. It means that is open position. And if we enter minus 65.8, so now this is closed position. So here you can see P. So this is parameterized. So again we are going to put 0. And if you want to add one more parameter, you can click here, pull, and press on P. So now you can see this has been added to this driving dimensions. So we can minimize or increase that. So but we are not going to add this as a parameterize. So Control Z, we have removed. So here only this valve position has been parameterized. Next, if you go to engineering data, you can see if we are adding gray cast iron, so you can see here this P parameterize. So whichever data we want to parameterize, we can click here, or we can also remove. So in engineering data also we can parameterize. Third one is we are going to model. In analysis setting we have set to 1, that is okay, and bolt penetration also we have suppressed, and here this also we have suppressed. So here we are going to rename this as a open pressure, that is 7 megapascal, and we are going to add one more pressure that will be for closed one. So rename it. So here we have selected this and this, and when this valve will be closed, then this surface will also come into the picture. Now we will add 7 megapascal pressure. So here for open pressure we are going to parameterize this pressure, so we are going to click here. Same for close pressure, we are going to parameterize this pressure. Third one is your safety factor. Safety factor also we are going to parameterize. Okay. Now we are going to close this one. Now double click on parameter set. So you can see first one is this valve position. Second one is open pressure magnitude, closed pressure magnitude, and this is safety factor. So here dp01. So we are going to put condition here. So here there will be two design points will be there. First one will be fully open and fully closed. In fully open we are going to put dp0, dp1 where the pressure will be 3 megapascal and 7 megapascal. For fully closed also dp2, dp3 will be this one. So okay, then we are going to again first fully. So first is fully open. So here 3 and here 10e minus 6 dp2 that is also 0 and pressure is 7 megapascal, that will be same for dp. So here this will be closed position, so minus 65.8. So here this pressure will be 10e minus 6 3 same position and 7. So retain, we are going to retain all. Okay, that is okay. So now we are going to update all design points. So right now you can see this dp01 design point 0 is current. So we will go to project and click on model. So this is for total deformation and equivalent stress, and valve is closed for 3 megapascal pressure. So close this. Again go to parameter set. Now click on set as current. Now go to project, double click on model. So now you can see valve is closed and total deformation is maximum somewhat here. Equivalent stress, that is maximum here. So you can see safety factor minimum for this condition it's 2.15. For 7 megapascal this is 0.92, and for closed position this is 2.6, and for 7 megapascal this is 1.12. Okay, thank you.